Hi everybody, this is Mary from Mary's Stamping Happenings, and today is Tips and Techniques Tuesday. I want to show you something new. These are the new in colors that are coming out in June for you. You can get them a little early in May, just the stamp pads if you want, but I want to show you the new ink pads. They are just marvelous. First off, the big thing is, you know, I put my colors on the sides, like, oh, well, this isn't it, but like basic black, and then I put one on the other side. But then I also used to cut them and cut another one and put it on the inside so I know what it is. Well, look at this. They have, first off, they have the colors all right here. So this is Call Me Clover. So I'm just going to put that. And the front is, can you see this little divot here? That's where the front is. So I'm going to put that one right like that. And then there is a blank one in here. Okay, Mary, yeah. And, okay, I'll leave it like this. Now, you know, we used to push and pull and flip up. These, and they're a little hard when they're new, they say, just flips up and pushes over. I got my, and again, they say, until you use them a few times, they're a little hard. But look at this. This fits right in there. Well, sort of right in there. Let me get that. There. So you know what color it is. Isn't that great? Okay, so let's look. And again, this is hard to pull. They said when it's new because it seals so well. You don't have to push it, pull it. Oh, now I got ink all over me and all over everything else. Okay, so, but look at what else. They stack. They're not like these that fall off and stuff and go. They stack. Now they're a little bit different. You can see they're a little bit shorter. A little bit shorter right there. They are also a little bit thinner because they don't have these legs on them. They have these little protuberances on them that stick into these holes on these, okay? And that's why they stick or stack, just like that, okay? But again, they just flip up like that and flip like that. Now I got ink. I get ink all over the place. So why did we change the cases? The mold, these molds were expiring. They got about 15 years worth of use in them, and so ours was expiring. And so they had heard us complain that it's, you know, so hard, it's hard to teach. I mean, it took me 3 days to open my first one. So they wanted to align everything up. We've got the new in colors, a new color refresh with new colors coming in. So instead of having us demos by, you know, the new colors and then in another year have a new ink pad and the stuff, they were just doing these all together. So they wanted to update it to be more user-friendly. It's less confusing to open. It has a tighter fit between the lid and the base. You know how these sometimes leaked? These have a little tighter lid. They're stackable. The labels that, like I said, are improved because I really, really like the fact, and I'm going to put another one on here. So let's take this. Which one says green the most? And I'm going to put it on this side. Oh, it really doesn't matter. Gotta get that off my fingers first. So they've got that, and they've got the lid, oh, that's weird. Oh, that's because that's on there. And I'll take that off. It's the thing where it sticks. I'll take it off later. But they've got this, how it opens up. They got it so you can put the color in there. And I got my, it's part of my shirt in there. And then it just flips right back down. Make sure it's closed. But it also then stores it. Also, it has different ink. They improved the ink formula. Sometimes the new pads would foam up and would get bubbles, and then when you went to stamp with it, it had bubbles. So that reduces ink bubbling, and it helps to have a smooth coat in just one stamp, and it lays the ink down better. So you can use it in your old ink pads, the refills in your old ink pads, and you can use your old refills in the new ink pads, but they will bubble. They will still bubble. So I would suggest you get new refills for all your new pads and just use them on your old pads too. And it's beginning with this annual catalog that all the ink refills will change. And yes, you can absolutely use, except for basic, the archival ones that are going away. The basic archival gray cannot be interswitched with the gray classic stamping pads, okay? All other inks will work fine. The archival inks are going away. The basic gray is going to be part of the stamping family. You cannot use the archival ink refills on the new basic gray classic stamping pads, so don't try that. The new, you're going to have your black is going to be your Memento ink pad for your blending pens, and we're coming back and using the jet black stays on for watercoloring and on non-porous surface, which the archival wasn't that great on, okay? These pads will fit, if you have a color caddy, they will fit into the color caddy. They'll be a little loose because they're not as long as the other ones, right? They'll be just a little loose. If you don't want that, they're coming out, they're not done yet, but they're coming out with a new color caddy. Don't know when it'll be. And that's about it. So, anyhow, just wanted to show you all about the new ink pads. So thanks for visiting. Oh, and the new colors, I will tell. Grapefruit Grove, lovely lipstick, Pineapple Punch, Call Me Clover, and Blueberry Bushel. I will be showing you the differences on them once I get my cardstock. So thanks a lot. Bye-bye. Have a good day.